Hey guys, it's your best boy Nelson. Today I'll be reacting to the Backyardigans Uniqua sneezes in the Soccer Monster's castle from Monster Detectives episode. Let's get to this. Shall we begin, reacting viewers? Then let's do it! Tyrell and Uniqua are in the Soccer Monster's castle right now. Wow! Just look at all this stuff! This is the world's greatest soccer player! Look! Pele!
Mia Ham.
Meet a ham.
Why are you sniffling, young lady? Well, I think it's a little dusty.
It is a little dusty in here.
And sometimes the dust makes me.
Uh-oh.
It makes me. Makes you what?
Uniqua's about to sneeze.
It makes me sneeze. Sneeze?
Sneeze?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hold on there, young lady.
Remember, rule number 1. Be quiet.
Right.
Quiet.
That was close.
That's right, Tyrone. That was so close. Thanks for listening. I watched the Backyardigans Monster Detectives episode as a kid.